Sister ships are thoughtfully designed throughout to enrich every aspect of your journey. A philosophy that's led the readers of Travel and Leisure to name Viking as the world's #1 ocean cruise line year after year. These beautiful ships are making it easier than ever to explore the world in comfort.